Welcome. Today we are looking at English paper 2, grammar. Question 1. Rewrite the following sentences as instructed. He was obviously angry with you. Begin with is. So his anger was obvious to you. B. He did not apply for the job. He did not get it. Begin with had. Had he applied for the job, he would have gotten it. Question 1C. Are you taking part in the work? My father asked. Rewrite in indirect speech. My father asked whether I was taking part in the work. Question 2. Use the correct form of words in brackets to complete each of the following sentences. The word in bracket is strike. So, Owen did not know the tree had struck his house. Question 2b, the word is passerby. So, the 3 passers-by were arrested. Question 2c, the word in brackets is beautiful. She has spent a lot of time beautifying her compound. Question 3. Underline the main clause in the following sentences. I saw the woman who gave birth to twins. So you underline I saw the woman. That is the main clause. 3b. If you work hard, you will pass your examination. So you will pass your examination is the main clause. Question 4. Underline the word in the following sentence. Diana is studying, but swimming is a hobby. So the girl is swimming. Question 5. Replace the phrasal verb underlined with one word similar in meaning. The project has really eaten into my savings. Eaten into, consumed. 5b. He had his dog put down because it was in a lot of pain from its tumors. Killed. Question 6. Fill in the blank space with the correct alternative from the given choices. Neither Tom nor his friend there. So you've been given was or there. Question 6. Fill in the blank space with the correct alternative from the given choices. A. Words in brackets was or were. Neither Tom nor his friend was there. Into brackets B is are or is. Vivian is one of the people who are always in a hurry. Question 7. Explain the difference in meaning between the following sentences. A. Has the donkey eaten Mary? B. Has the donkey eaten Mary? So in A, the speaker is asking if the donkey has swallowed Mary. And B, the speaker is confirming from Mary if the donkey has been fed. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.